Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am really excited to open one of my other Bella Art diamond painting canvases. I have several of them. I started purchasing Bella Art canvases when I first started diamond painting, so I do have several of them. The boxes are really small, as you can see. I really do like them, but sometimes I accidentally put them in the back of my stash. So when I'm organizing it, I always find them, and I'm just really excited to show them. This canvas, I fell in love when I first saw it on their website, and I just could not resist not picking it up. The wonderful canvas this time is A Sip of Sunshine, licensed from Hey Soleil Art. I hope I said it right. It's a beautiful teacup with a butterfly on it and the sun and some clouds and a dark background. This wonderful canvas is a square diamond. I've been trying to get more Bella Art rounds, but right now I'm just really loving their squares, so that's why I know that's why I picked them up. I really love that. I'll go through some more information about the canvas in a moment. Bella Art canvases always come in really sturdy boxes, and as you just saw, they do put an image of the canvas at the end of the box. So let me pick that up real quick. Apologies for that. I took out the canvas ahead just to save time, and they do put their canvases in really nice sturdy plastic bags. Big fan of that, and an identifier of the canvas. It also includes, ta-da, a small little of Bella Art tray. I love these trays. They're so easy to pour out diamonds, especially where we're switching colors, and they do line up perfectly. I love these trays. I'm going to say it a bunch of times. So let's look through the canvas real quick. I'm just going to take it out of the plastic bag. And I really love these bags I do take a while to finish a canvas. I love putting them back in the bag to keep the canvas safe and clean, and I don't have to worry about it. So I really like it. And Bella Art does roll up all of the items inside the canvas. Oh my goodness, that butterfly is so pretty. And inside does include the toolkit, their wonderful diamonds, and the tool sheet, label sheet that we'll go through in a moment. I'm just going to roll it the opposite way just to help the canvas settle. I've never had a Bella Art canvas kind of give me a crease, so that's why I feel real comfortable doing that. And oh my goodness, and I am going to say it because I say it a lot smaller than I thought. I always say that for a lot of canvases that I assume. I really thought it was going to be a little wider. No, it is such a perfect size that if you just want to do just a quick little side project, oh, this canvas is perfect for that. I'll leave it resting for a bit and we'll go through the canvas. But before that, let's go through the toolkit. So the wonderful tray, as you all saw, they do put in the tray outside of the canvas, as you saw. To my understanding, they slip in the tray once they receive the canvases. I'm not sure if that is still the same, but that's what I learned when I first started purchasing Bella Art canvases. I need to purchase a couple of their more new releases, but right now, again, at a later time, I'll make sure to buy some more. Don't worry about that. And it does include a nice, wonderful roll of their washi tape. I really love this bright banana yellow. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that color. Oh, it actually has little polka dots. You actually have to really look at it carefully. You can kind of see it. Oh, I really love this tape. It also includes a wonderful container with 3 pads of, or is it 2? I'm not too sure. Apologies. I guess it's because I had it put away for a while. I think that's why the wax. Oh yeah, it's 3. Wax is really saved up there. I really love their wax as well. I found one of their containers because I needed a wax really quickly. I really love how sticky the wax is. I'm a big fan of that. Pair of the really sturdy, sharp tweezers. Ooh, be careful with these. I love their tweezers too. Really useful for whenever you have to remove diamonds or other items. They do have a standard tray with a really sturdy grip, which I can never put it in. Oh, that's as close as I'll get. And it does have a multi-placer of 3 and a multi-placer of 4 or 5. I'm really bad at spotting it. But I love these plastic multi-placers. Really useful, and they do fit in other pens if the standard is not your favorite. So let me put everything in the bag real quick. I do not want to lose smaller pieces because that's happened to me before. And I say that every time because it's true. So let me put it aside real quick. I'm going to put this wonderful tray really carefully because I'm going to use it for my next painting. Oh, see? I always lose them. Put that aside real quick and let's go through the label sheet. Oh, and just to inform you all, I am not a Bella Art diamond painting affiliate. I just really love their canvases. And I always say that because every time I do these unboxings, I sound like I'm giving a product review. Somebody's asked me before if I was affiliate, and not just with Bella Art, but with other companies. No, I just love showing you all the paintings. I just want to clarify, so I'm going to have to say that. Not have to, but I feel just as politeness to say that because I'm transparent. I like being honest with y'all. So this wonderful painting again is called A Sip of Sunshine, licensed from at Hazelel Art. I was going to say .com, but that's not what it is. As you can see, it's a wonderful, I believe, a monarch butterfly, just on a wonderful teacup with that contains clouds and a little sunshine. And I really love that. I love the dark blue for the background. Oh, that's just so pretty. And the size of this canvas is 35 by 47 centimeters or 13.78 by 18.5 inches. And it includes 26 colors. And as I stated, it's a square diamond painting. And it contains 4 ABs. Ah, no. Pixie dust. I keep saying pixie dust, but I'm not sure that's the term. But that's okay. I love those 4 ABs because I love ABs. Oh, this is so pretty. And at the bottom, it does include their website and anything. bellaartdiamonds.com. Apologies.com. If you're curious about this canvas or any others. And the labels, as y'all can see, have all the symbols and the DMC codes. And these are pre-cut and adhesive. This whole sheet is an adhesive as well. See if I can lift it, because sometimes I'm not too good at doing that. Well, as you can see, it is an adhesive, because you can see the back paper is yellow. Anytime I see a yellow paper or back covered, I know it's adhesive, as you can see. Big fan of that, because I do cut out the picture for my physical logbook. That's why I really love these really large images. I'll put it aside real quick. So let's look at the canvas. So Bella Art canvases are really nice and velvety soft, as you can hear, and they are scalloped and poked. Big fan of that. At the top of the canvas, it includes the name of the company as well as information about their website and their social media hashtag as well, Bella Art Diamonds, in case you want to post, or as they state, share their love for the canvases. On the top right, bottom left, a full legend of all the colors, and on the bottom right corner, information about their social media, their websites, and, well, pretty much all of the social medias. I really like that. At the bottom in the middle, name of the company, and on the bottom right, bottom left corner, a small image of the art as well as the information. Big fan of that. Bella Art does put really nice sturdy plastic. It feels a little thin, but it really does keep it safe. As I stated, I'm working on other Bella Art canvases. Never had a problem with the plastic covering. Ooh, never had a problem with the stick either. It's no joke. And the one thing you probably noticed, their legends. Oh my goodness, I love their legends. The lower left, you can see, is upright. The top right is upside down. I love that little feature, because I spin my canvases while I'm painting. So if I'm working on it upside down, I don't have to worry. This wonderful legend, I'll see it correctly. It's such a small detail, but I am a big fan of that because, like I stated, I do spin my canvases around. So don't worry if you saw, hey, why is it upside down? Now you know why. And oh my goodness, this canvas, again, as I stated, is a lot smaller than I thought. You can see the beautiful image of the teacup. Wonderful, beautiful image of the butterfly, and a little sparkle around it. And you can see it all the way to the top. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love butterflies. So that's when I first saw this one. I had to pick it up, and blue is my favorite color, so I had to really pick it up. I'm really resisting not to start it, but let's go through the diamonds. So let's just leave this here to rest a bit. You'll see it slowly just kind of straightening out. That's why I really love these canvases. So Bella Art does put their diamonds in resealable bags. Really useful if this is your preferred way of having the diamonds while you're working on a canvas. Myself, goodness no, I spill them every time. And they do make it a lot easier if you're kitting up in a different storage packet. Or, apologies, storage container. I'm a big fan of that. It does have an identifier of the painting. So if you store your painting and your canvas in 2 different locations, don't worry. They'll always find each other. The little packets are also labeled based off of the numerical order of the legend as well as the DMC code. Big fan of that. I'm only going to show the special diamonds because I love how it's nice and packaged. Oh, I love this palette. I love the really dark blue. I love the combo of, I believe it's 310. Yep, 310 and the dark violet. I really love that combo. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this palette. Really dark jewel tones. And even though I love pastels a lot, I love dark tones as well. As you can see, it's nice and perfectly packaged. Why am I to take them out of order? They do put the special diamonds at the end, so it's a lot easier just to take out the specials. And I don't want to, you know, as I stated, get them out of order. Apologies for the crinkly noise. Showing diamonds, y'all. So let me pull this back. Ooh, it's a really sturdy stick to it. There we go. So there are 1, 2, 4 ABs. So they should be at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yep, perfect. I love that. I can just grab them real quick and I don't have to worry about getting them out of order. Voila. See how they stay? So these are the ABs. And in case you're not familiar with the term, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's comparing it to the effect of the Northern Lights. It's a nice little coating on the diamond that gives it that beautiful prismatic effect. And I just really love ABs. This wonderful first color is 742. It's a really nice kind of pumpkiny orange. And the symbol for this one is a little anchor, like a ship anchor. To me, that's what the symbol looks like. So that's why I call it that. This wonderful symbol is actually in the sun. It's in the sun's rays. Pretty much here in the lower area and the lower section of the sun. Oh, I love the sun's going to be all sparkly. I'm not too sure if it's in the butterfly since there's a lot of light. Oh, it's not. It's mostly in the sun. So the sun owns this color. Of course, it has to be sparkly. It's the sun. The next color is 743. This really nice marigold color. You can see the little sparkle on it. I like this one as well. The symbol is, I call them eyebrows. Because there are 2 little symbols, kind of little dash in that way. It makes me think of anime eyebrows, so that's why I call them eyebrows. To each their own. Everyone has different names for symbols. And this wonderful color is here on the sun. This lighter yellow section as well on the butterfly. So let me move it up a bit. This little lighter tones on the yellow on the butterfly's wings is this beautiful, really nice marigold color. I really like that. Next color, 995AB. Ooh, this beautiful dark blue. You can see the AB effect a little bit better in darker colors. Oh, look at the shine on that. And the symbol for this one is a capital J. I'm curious where it goes because there's a lot of dark blue. And I thought it might be in the cup. I do not see it though. I'm going to try to see if I can spot it real quickly. Oh my goodness, there is a lot of blue. I'm looking at it carefully. Oh, it's in this section here. Really small area. And there we go. It's lining the cup. So as you can see, the lighter light blue tone of the cup, this darker line here, all of it aligning all around is this beautiful dark blue. Oh, that is such a pretty effect. It's going to contrast really well with the lighter tone. It's also in the little cup handle as well. Oh, I really like that. I just love this blue color. And finally, the last one is 5200 AB, which is our wonderful bright white. Apologies. The symbol for this one is a check mark. Pretty much anywhere you see white lining the cup, also little ice cubes in the cup, as well here with these random petals and lining the butterfly. Anything you see white, this AB will be there. That's why the packet is so large. Oh my goodness, I love that it's lining dark tones. Oh, it's going to be such a beautiful, really sparkly contrast. Uh-oh. I'm really thinking of kitting it up, but I'm starting an event I really want to work on. So this one I'm going to also as well put it higher in my list of canvases I want to start once I finish, a lot of my other canvases, because I've been wanting to work on more squares, and this is such a perfect size, and it's such a quick little project that I know if I just sit down, a week or two just placing, because I'm slower on squares, I know I can get through quickly and I don't have to worry about this poor little canvas being put back in my stash. There's a lot of color blocking in this canvas, and in case you're not familiar with the term, color blocking just means sections of a same color. This really, really dark blue in this area, as you can see, is all the same symbol, meaning it's the same color. I multi-place my diamonds, even my squares, so to me it'll be real quick just be placing them and just making sure they're lined up. Really, really love it. The term confetti, again, if you're not familiar with the term, is when you're switching the colors. I'm sorry, apologies. Color of the diamonds, because the areas have a lot of color switching. Fortunately, this canvas does not have that. And majority of it is all color blocking. Anything with the blues, the sun as well. The only time you'd probably keep having to switch is here in the butterfly's wings. So there's oranges, and there's a darker orange lining and an orange in the base. That's the only thing I can see that you'd have to switch a lot. Same thing with the dark tone at the tip. They're two different colors. But it's not really confetti. Confetti is just, you're just switching every two colors. This canvas is, I believe it'd be really good for, especially for a beginner painter, especially with squares. I think this one would be a good one to start with. Really, and it's such a cute image. I mean, look at the butterfly. It's so cute. And everything you saw on this canvas, I'm going to put in the description below. If maybe a little nice cup of sunshine with a butterfly is your cup of tea as well. Yep, I had to say it. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Yep, emoji time. This wonderful emoji, either it's a butterfly or a cup of tea, or both. I think I've seen a butterfly emoji, but I'm not too sure. I just like seeing the emojis. Oh, and I do ask if you did enjoy this unboxing or this video, just if you can put a like to the video. Really helps put the channel out there a little bit more, and so other, diamond painters can see this beautiful canvas too. Because it's so cute, and I'm really resisting to start it. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.